Hi foodies! For the past couple of years for Ghana month, I've brought you indigenous Ghanaian recipes focusing mostly on staple foods from the Volta region. This year, I decided to do something different. And what is that something different? I went to the farm, okay? Everybody is starting some type of series anyway, so I've decided to join in and you might as well get logged in. Well, soap making to oil production. You can even make alcohol from palm tree. And the branches of the palm tree, we can use it to sweep. Yes, we've been making brooms from the branches of the palm tree. So I decided to make a series about the palm tree. We are going to start with oil production. We all know the best palm oil comes from the Volta region anyways, which we call Dzomi. So today I'm going to teach you how to make Dzomi. Life in the farm. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to harvest palm fruit. Tia here is going to teach me how to make palm oil. Neatly wash your palm fruit so there's no sand on it. And then in your pot, add your palm fruit, add water, cover it, cook it. You can easily take off the chaff from the palm kernel. And then you pound it in your mortar with your pestle. And when you're done, you put it in your pan with this too and just a little bit of water. You mix it vigorously for a while. And this process is what makes the oil comes on once top. You add water. Oh, okay. Okay. Once she separated most of the oil from the chaff, she scoops the oil into another pan that has got water in it. The oil settles immediately on top of the water. She then takes out the palm kernel and separates that as well. In another episode, I'm going to show you what she uses that water for. So you might want to come back to watch the next episode. This is the final scoop before our palm oil goes on fire to cook. When I tell you every part of the palm tree is useful, this is what I mean. We are using the dry chaffs to help light up our fire to cook our palm oil. Our pot is gone on fire with a full pot of palm fruit that we cooked. This is the oil we've gotten so far. Anyway, you keep stirring and cook that for about 25 to 30 minutes. All the leftover chaffs that made it into the pot will settle underneath the pot, so we have to strain again. Rinse your pot and pour the oil back into the pot because we are not done cooking. You're going to ensure there's not a single chaff in your palm oil. The stubborn chaffs that made it into the pot are going to be rinsed with water, just a little bit. Now we are going to strain that water for the first time, and the second time strain it into the oil. And this is where you need patience. You are going to allow that to cook till all the water drains. You also need to be stirring intermittently so it doesn't get burnt. Okay. Our oil has finally cooked. It's cooled down and settled. This is what it looks like after packaging. I hope you enjoyed that. You might want to come back for part 2. And if you enjoyed watching that video, why haven't you shared it yet? Why haven't you followed the page? Why haven't you commented? Thanks for watching.